We believe in technology, and this is a great day. We are powering the first ICO of a great tech company.
The subject of this next session is around bridging the gap.
As you said, we grow diamonds and we made special reactors. So we had 10 years of development, and we were looking for funding to duplicate those reactors, right?
It's great to be here in Zug, the heart of the crypto valley, for the Cv Summit, celebrating the association of two worlds. The industrial production on one side and the crypto world on the other side. Come and visit us on lakediamond.ch for more.